How do you normally slice up a pizza? With a knife? Pizza cutter? Maybe scissors? Well, today I'm going to test out this bicycle pizza cutter, which I bought online. I opened it up, and there's the bike. There's also what looks like a thank you card, and this cool little bike stand too. So let's have a look at the bike. It's really cool actually. It's got 2 rotating cutting wheels, which are nice and thin, but they feel strong. They're held on to the plastic frame with these metal rivets, and they feel well secure. The frame looks really cool, and it feels strong enough for purpose. It's got these black handlebars and seat. And look, you can even adjust the height of the seat post, which is cool. The handlebars seem to be stuck in quite securely. Yeah, I'd say it seems to be made pretty well. And it also comes with this small bike stand, which works by just slotting one of the wheels in, like this. Yeah, it certainly looks really cool. Before using it, I gave it a quick wash, and I cooked a nice deep pan pizza to try it out. It is a bit difficult to know how to hold it to begin with, but I grabbed it like this and gave it a go. Well, that went okay, I think. It struggled a little bit with the crust at the edges, but I do think I might have baked the pizza for slightly too long and toasted up the outside edge a bit too much. And it is a thick pizza. You can see it cuts through the rest of the pizza actually really well, but it just struggles with the crusts a little. There we go, one large bicycle cut pizza. Pretty cool, huh? I wanted to try it out again, this time with a thinner pizza. And if you know someone who loves bikes, I reckon it would be great to serve it on a chopping board with the bike cutter alongside, so they can slice up their own pizza. So I tried it out again. And this time, I've got to be honest, it seemed to work really well. It cut through the whole pizza really easily, even the crusts. Oh man, I love pizza. And in addition to the bike pizza cutter, I also found this bike bottle opener online too. It's really cool actually, it's metal and feels pretty solid. And you use the back wheel just to pop the cap off like this. What a great way to surprise someone who loves bikes. Serve up a pizza with the bike cutter for them, and a bottle of drink with the bike bottle opener too. If you want to buy either of these items, you can click on the link in my description. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Stay safe, happy cycling, and thanks for watching.